Hello, my inquisitive friends, and welcome back to Alien Protocols. This is a fascinating probe that has been seen repeatedly for years up and down the East Coast, particularly off the coast of Virginia. It was first mentioned and brought up in the Mystery Wire article, and these are photographs taken from a Navy pilot, and that has been confirmed by the DoD. Look at this craft. You can really see some detail. I've taken some liberties and done a little sketching, and it looks like to me there are recesses on the top and bottom where these kind of antenna like structures project from and have a sphere at the end. What do you think of my drawing, and what do you think these antenna are? Strictly for propulsion and anti-gravity, or something else? I would love to hear your thoughts.